G'day, I'm Mark from Self-Sufficient Me, and this is our second episode in our 5-part series on growing food in small spaces or inner suburban areas such as this one here. If you missed the first episode, I suggest you go back and have a look at it because it was a cracker. We created a raised garden bed and it turned out really good. So go check that out, links in the description below. But anyway, keeping animals is what this is about. Keeping animals in small spaces. We've got guinea pigs, we've got chickens, and I want to show you that these animals aren't just necessarily kept for your enjoyment and to love them and play with them, but they're also really good for your garden. So let's get into it. Well, today we're back with Saray. How you going?
Great.
First of all, Saray, she keeps chickens in this really excellent little backyard area. She's got 4 hens, 2 Isa Browns.
Yep,
okay,
and then a white hen.
A leghorn type thing.
I think so,
Yep.
and then a special variety, black and white
the speckled.
speckled.
So, you know, they look really cute, but chickens, as a lot of you would probably know, just aren't cute looking animals. They are really good companions as well, and they're great for children. But yes, they provide us with eggs. But what a lot of people don't realise is that you can also use their manure and their bedding in the garden for a very effective fertiliser to grow tons of crops of veggies, and it's free. The other thing we've got here, and I've bought these today, is 2 hamsters, 2 guinea pigs. And the reason why I've got these guinea pigs is because we actually use them in our own place, just like chickens. We've got a little, like, it looks like a chicken tractor, but it's actually it's not a hamster tractor, it's a guinea pig tractor, where we pull them around and they go around our fruit trees on our acreage and they fertilise the fruit trees. It's amazing how much fertiliser you can get out of one little poop. And in a minute, I'm going to show you guys their poops. We're going to play with them a bit, and I'm going to show you how you can make a really excellent fertiliser, liquid fertiliser for your garden. But anyway, let's have a look at these 2 guinea pigs. Let's get them out one at a time so they don't run off. This is Wilson. Wilson, we got him from the pet store. Black and white, quite tame. So hold him underneath the bum. And make sure he doesn't get away.
Yeah, hold on tight.
Very placid animals, lovely with kids. I mean, I love them too. But yeah, very useful in the garden. Look at this fella.
Look, he's got longer hair than Ada.
He's called Buddy. You want to hear a quick story about how Buddy found us? We didn't find him. I'll tell you a quick story. One day I was down the chicken coop at home and I was doing the feeders, and what happened was I looked down and there was these little poops and I didn't recognise them. It wasn't chicken poop, it wasn't possum poop because possum poop's bigger, and it wasn't rat or mice poop because rat and mice poop is really small. It was a funny different size, and I thought, what made that? Maybe it's a bandicoot, maybe it's something like that, a marsupial coming through into the chicken pen. I didn't think much of it. Anyway, I was cooking dinner later that afternoon, and you know what happened? My son James, he's 15, he was downstairs playing the Xbox, and I heard him scream out to me. He said, "Dad, Dad." I went, "What?" He goes, "Something, come here." And so I raced out of the kitchen, I looked down the stairs, and he come running up the stairs with Buddy like this at me. I thought it was a little lion going to get me. I went, "Where did you find that? And what is it?" He goes, "I think it's a guinea pig." And I went, "Yeah, I think it is a guinea pig. Now, where did you get it?" He goes, "Well, I was playing the Xbox and I looked out the window and Buddy was up there looking in the window at me." He said, "I couldn't resist it. I had to go out and get him." So he got out and he chased him and brought him up to me. So that's who was pooping in my chicken pen. It was Buddy. He was going and eating the grain from the chickens in the chicken feeders, see? So that was the story of Buddy. Pretty amazing, eh? And now he's useful in our garden. This mango tree is a really good spot to be able to demonstrate what I was talking about before, and that's about making fertiliser. A few chickens just went past there. Out of guinea pig poo. Right. Here's some I collected earlier. And like I said, I'm not afraid to touch this stuff because all they do is eat grass mainly and veggies. So their poop doesn't even smell that much. One little bag of this, I don't know, I estimate, let's say 50 poos, can make 3 litres of guinea pig liquid fertiliser. A lot of people wouldn't have thought that, but it's true. You can make a stronger version if you include some of their bedding, and I've got some of that here as well. It's their urea, it's their wee. Sometimes you'll get a good wet bit of it. I'll wash my hands after. And you can put that in with the poo, and what I do is I put it in a container, I crush it up with a bit of wood or something, and then we'll add some water, say about 6 inches of water, crush it up, and then it goes into sort of like a fermented paste type thing. And once I've got it into that, I'll strain it through a strainer into a funnel, into the bottle, and you'll get about that much of really dark liquid. And then I add some water to it so that it's about the consistency of a dark tea. Now this dark tea is good to be used on mature vegetables, sprinkled around the base of the plant. But if I was going to water over the top of it, I'd add some more water to this. So I'd pour this into a watering can and then make the liquid like a light tea and sprinkle it over. You want a light tea as well if you want to sprinkle and water and fertilise seedlings or young plants. So that's how I use it. Yeah, this mango tree, of course, you can use that, or you can do what we do and just use the poops itself from the guinea pigs with a guinea pig tractor. We'll park it next to the tree. They'll have about a day there. 2 guinea pigs will go through 2 square metres of grass a day. So it's twofold for us. They fertilise the tree, but they also keep the grass down in our orchard. So it's a win-win-win for us. You keep cute and cuddly animals, and they fertilise our crops and fruit trees. What's that?
Can they drink?
Oh, they drink when they feel like it. Don't forget the reciprocal nature of what you can do. You can use the guinea pigs to feed your food garden, and you can use your food garden to feed the guinea pigs. Grow carrots, grow capsicum, grow lettuce, whatever, and feed them to the guinea pigs. And you've got that reciprocal or cyclised type of nature, and it's like I keep saying, a win-win. And that's it. Just 2 quick examples of animals that you can keep in small spaces that not only gives you a lot of satisfaction and gives them a lot of love, but also pays back in the garden as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. That was episode 2 in our 5-part series on growing food in small spaces. If you did like it, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you know of any small animals that you keep that also does the same as these 2, let us know in the comment section below, because I'd love to hear it. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.